So lately I've been seeing this fumigation method where people restore their foggy, oxidized, blurry headlights back to brand new again just by using fumes from a plugged in cup with chemicals. On this video we're gonna test out if this actually works, how much I spent, and if overall if it's a scam or not. So make sure you stay tuned. So I bought the kit off of Amazon. It cost me around $39 before taxes, and afterwards it's like 40 something out the door. It comes with everything you need, the sandpaper, the chemicals, the electric cup, the plugs and everything. It had pretty good reviews on Amazon, but I don't know how legit that is. We'll find out when we test it out. With that being said, let's get to it. Here is my 2001 Chevy S10, and the headlights are starting to look really foggy and yellowish right there. Go and mask this off so we protect the paint. For the second step, take a 180 grit sandpaper, get yourself a spray bottle, just got water in here. You're pretty much just scraping off that dead plastic off the surface with the 180 grit. So before I get to the next step, I kind of want to explain to you what causes the headlights or your tail lights to oxidize or turn yellow or foggy. The UV protectant that came from the factory when you first bought your car, the UV protectant on that starts to wear off over time because the sun is the biggest culprit that does this. All right, for step 3, you're going to take your 280 grit sandpaper right here, wet your surface, go now in a different direction, which is vertical. All right, step 4, we're going to use 360 grit. Step number 5, we're going to use 600 grit. All right, step number 6, use 800. All right, step number 7, we're going to use 1200 grit sandpaper. This is about the finest and the last one that we're going to be doing. Spray it. Make sure everything is nice and dry before we get to the next step. It's going to look like this, all foggy. Next step is called fumigation. We're going to take the solution. Now make sure you wear your safety glasses, open ventilated area, fumigation cup that we'll plug in a bit. You can choose between this top or this top. So when it's ready, you can kind of see the fumes. It's hard to see it, but you'll start seeing the fumes coming out of that straw. All you gotta do is place it right underneath. And look at that. It's like magic. Now you can attach the other funnel if it makes it easier for you. Do the same thing. You run it like that. This is the after. Honestly, I still see a little bit of discoloration right there. It wasn't the expectations that I was looking for. I mean, I could have done way better using my regular polish. So honestly, it did the job, but not as what I expected. I thought it was going to be super clear. But in my honest opinion, I could have done better with my method using my buffer, my other chemicals. I don't think it's the best and it's not the worst. It's good for what it is. But overall, I see all this hype going on online. But I don't think it's all that, in my honest opinion. I'm having mixed feelings on this one. So friends, if you found this video super helpful, and if you like honest reviews like this one, like what I did with this, kindly hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next product review video and how-tos. Stay tuned.